Hello, ladies and gents. Clifford Kennels here. So, with all the family coming in to stay at our place, because we're way more inland, we're in Castleberry, Florida, it just wasn't feasible to have all the dogs in the house too. And I was worried that, well, the kennels, they may catch debris. Plus, we got 2 possible pregnant females. So, we got a place for them to use the restroom. Say hi, Rox. Hello, Roxies. Sugar-free. Sugar. What you doing, mamas? Uno. The big boy Munich. So, we got it. This is gonna have to work for now. If it gets real bad, bring them into the office. Right now, I got it set up so we have a place to chill, and so. But, you know, this is a lot more safer for them than out in the kennels or in the dog room that y'all seen before on older videos. And we'll bring you some more video of the dogs and stuff during the hurricane. We're still setting up. You've seen the side-by-sides. Andrew destroyed South Florida, and Irma's way bigger and way meaner. But they all got a toy, plenty of room to move. The ideal situation would have been sod, but because of all the rain and sod's gone. I drove around for 3 hours trying to find sod, but I got a couple extra bags of mulch just in case. Let the dogs out to play. They got plenty of room out here. So, as you can see, we're already starting to get some of the rain bands and wind bands. It's pretty windy out. It's raining real hard. So, we're going to do the best we can. But, we'll give you an update later. This is just how we're getting ready. I'm really just almost positive Shug's pregnant. Still a little early, but you see her tits and everything. Pretty sure Rox is pregnant too. So I'm just hoping they don't get stressed out and go in early. None of the vets will be open, so they won't be able to get none of the pups done right. And I really don't feel like having to deal with any dew claws. Probably not going to do the tails. If we do any of the tails, it'll be the females getting their tails done, not the males. But we'll see how it goes. What you doing, who knows? Who knows? Mamas. Yes, some babies. Say hey, Munich. Big head. Sugar free. Look at that belly. Hey, Sugar. Doing Roxy girl. Well,